Important passage number 36. Start case of civil servant for promotion from BS 21 to BS 22, was placed before Central Selection Board (CSB) in its earlier meeting, but civil servant was not cleared for promotion and was recommended for supersession. Case of civil servant against was considered by CSB in its next meeting and he was cleared promotion of BS 21 and was promoted accordingly. Civil servant made representation against his earlier supersession on ground of wrong qualification and consequential regulation in seniority position, which was accepted, and Prime Minister, being competent authority, converted supersession of civil servant into deferment. One of co-civil servant made a representation for restoration of his seniority against certain junior officers, including the civil servant, which was accepted. Void memorandum whereby decision of competent authority converting supersession into department was annulled and civil servant was relegated in seniority in BS 21. Being aggravated, civil servant had challenged that decision in appeal before service tribunal. Competent authority was not appraised of BS 21 facts about their hold and qualification of civil servant earlier before passing order of conversion of supersession into deferment, and in the second round, it was on representation of co-civil servant that all facts and papers were submitted to competent authority through a summary prepared by establishment secretary and deferment was converted into supersession. Continuation of civil servant that once an order had been passed in his favor, same could not be recalled, was devoid of merit, because earlier order of competent authority according to which supersession of civil servant was converted into deferment was without, and that order was recalled by competent authority not so moto but on representation of aggrieved persons who was co-civil servant. Competent authority, thus, rightly recalled its earlier order as it was within its powers to rectify mistake on filing regular appeal against that order by aggrieved person.